Hello, everyone. I'm here to do Sabrina's resume review. First thing that comes right off the bat is I like the difference in bolded and not unbolded. One thing that I can critique on right at the top of the bat is her email and her phone number are kind of off kiltered. I don't know if it's just a formatting issue with Word on moving it from Word on your computer to this version of Word. Um, Another thing I can see is it's the system store manager. Yet there's a lot of good stuff in there. Those It's very wordy. Maybe changing it to a bullet form would make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. A lot of good information. Uh, I don't see any grammatical errors. One thing I do, and one thing I criticize, I like to critic is I believe education should be up at the top just for the simple fact of it's at the top. And but one thing that you need to do with your education as well is use the correct format of your education. Be like bachelor's of human and consumer science, or I don't know exactly what college you're in or anything like that. Uh, Executive of the Quarter of Marshals is really good. That's actually really cool. And I see that there's a lot of information to put out. But now that you've kind of leaked into that second page, maybe since there's such not a whole lot on that second page, using bullet format might be able to get you to a one-page resume, which would I believe make it more aesthetically pleasing. Grammar's great, a lot of great information, and I just overall it's a really good resume. I would I wouldn't change a whole lot. Maybe changing the bullet format and maybe fixing some of the formatting up the top. But other than that, everything looks really good. Thank you.